Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lookbook. So today we are going to recreate Deepika Padukone's signature makeup look. Now unless she's wearing a super dramatic look, she always goes for a soft glam monochrome look. So the one I have picked has these beautiful peachy tones to it. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and let's jump right in. So I have moisturizer and lip balm on. Let's start with the eyebrows so that when I do my foundation I can clean them up. First I'm just going to brush them up with my spoolie. This is the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in dark brown. This has a spoolie on one end which makes it really convenient. First we can do foundation, concealer and then move to eye makeup. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me in 128 Warm Nude. Taking a flat top brush, just going to drag it down slowly. Make sure that you go in one direction so that it looks even. So I went with 2 layers of foundation because I wanted really good coverage. Now moving on to concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is in 03 Light Moyen. Now concealer I'm going to apply just a little bit here and here. That's it. I don't think you need a lot of concealer. It cakes up your eyes and of course to cancel out all the darkness on our lids. Then I'm going to take this Flawless concealer brush and pat it down. Remember not to drag your concealer because that tends to take away all the coverage. Just pat it down. I got a new brush set and I'm really happy that it came with this concealer brush. I really like the application it gives me. I can get into my eyelids and inner corners really well. Do you see how this instantly brightens up the eye area? Now I'm going to dust a little bit of powder on my face just to set everything so that it doesn't crease and move. So this look is going to be a peachy monochrome makeup look. So I'm going to take my Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette and pick this shade. This is such a pretty peach shade. You can tell that from the 63 pan eyeshadow palette. It's my favorite shade. It's all over the place. But I'm going to take this on a fluffy blending brush. Just apply it all over my crease. So I'm going to place this right on the outer corner and then slowly blend it into the crease in these circular motions and then windshield wiper motions. This is such a pretty shade. I'm also going to use this as my blush to keep the look monochromatic. Next, I'm going to take this shade on a more tapered blending brush. This has very similar peachy tones but is just a tad bit warmer and darker. Now to add a little more depth to the eye look, I'm going to take this really dark maroonish brown shade on a pencil brush like this. And I'm going to concentrate it only the outer corner. I'm not going to drag it all the way into the crease, just the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it in. I'm not going to take excess of this shade at all because this is a really dark shade and it can go completely wrong from this point on if we are not able to blend this in. So be very careful to just, touch your brush, like tap it into your eyeshadow pan and then dust it off. And then drag it inward. Now to blend this in, I'm going to take the same tapered blending brush I used earlier with whatever product is there in it. I'm going to blend the edges. As lip topper, I'm going to use this shade. It's a beautiful peachy shade with golden reflex. So I'm just going to take it on my fingers and place it all over my lids. Again, I always prefer using my fingers when it comes to shimmer shades. Do you see how reflective that is? It is such a beautiful shade. Now again, taking my tapered blending brush, I'm just going to blend this shimmer shade and the matte shades around it. We don't want harsh lines. Just making sure everything is blended in. What I love about celebrity makeup looks, they are always very wearable and look extremely beautiful in real life as well. They have easy reflective shades with warm tone maroons, peaches and pinks that you can easily get in an everyday glam palette. I might be using a really colorful huge palette, but I know that you can get these shades in a compact everyday glam palette as well. Now what I can tell from the pictures is that she's not wearing false lashes but has applied a very generous coat of mascara. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. To finish this look on the inner corner and brow bone, we're going to apply this shade. So that is the eye makeup all complete. Now moving back to the face. For contouring, I'm going to take the Vichy brush, place the contour right here, and push it upwards. Now when it comes to your face makeup, remember that with your contour, blush, everything needs to be pushed upwards to give your face a natural lift. In this look, Deepika looks beautifully bronzed and glowing. So let's try to get that. Blush, like I said, I'm going to take this peachy pink shade from the eyeshadow palette. By the way, I'm filming this look for the second time. I'd already filmed this a month ago, but then I wasn't happy with the video, the footage, because I did not have a good background or the ring light, and my hair was super frizzy. So I did not like how it looked and deleted the entire footage, and we are back at it again. To contour my nose, I'm going to take this brush. It's amazing when it comes to contouring your nose, and I got this in the new makeup brush set that I bought. So yeah. So that is it for the base makeup. I really like the way it looks. It's super bronzed up and glowy. So now let's finish it up with a lipstick. This is from Maybelline City Bricks collection. It's in the shade Midtown Pink. It's a beautiful creamy lipstick with peachy tones. This lipstick, it smells like caramel chocolate. It smells really delicious. It's a very comfortable lipstick. It might not last you for hours. You will have to reapply this because it is a creamy lipstick. But then again, it's a very beautiful shade and looks really good. And it's super comfortable. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please let me know in the comment section down below which other celebrity should I recreate so that we can make this a series on my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.